the women in general, this is what I observe, we don't, we tend to underestimate our abilities. We always believe we can do something, and I think the main reason for that is again the same thing. When you see other women do it, then I think you do, you get a little bit of confidence, because you have mentors, but their mentors are male, and they act differently, and it's not perceived the same way. When a woman acts that way, it's perceived completely differently. Yeah. So these are some of my challenges. And then, when I say networking and socializing, what I mean here is really, even in an office environment, a lot of decisions don't get made in a conference room. A lot of decisions get made in the hallways, a lot of decision gets made while you have gone out to lunch with somebody, and women definitely don't do that a lot. And a couple of reasons, because I think it is not very comfortable, at least for me it is not very comfortable to go to my colleague and sit in their office and chit-chat, Whereas if it's a lady, I would be a little more comfortable chit-chatting and get ideas, You talk a little bit about personal things, and you talk a little bit about work, and at the end you do get some good ideas, and you have a lot of other places to do brainstorming and things like that, which normally I feel that it definitely lacks. It's one of the challenges that I have. To seek that out, if you go try to find some of your old colleagues, it is a lot of effort. And to kind of do that networking and socializing. So in general, women do far less networking and socializing in the technological area. Now we come to the rewards. Yes, there are rewards. My husband, when he looked at my package, he said, you have a long list of challenges and only this much rewards. I said, yes, but there are big rewards for the women. We do feel very independent. We feel the women, when they're working in technology and they're innovating and they're coming up with new things, they do definitely feel very independent and empowered. And I think overall it increases their self-esteem. And I think and women tend to look, you really feel like whatever you're working, you kind of look to see how it is helping the society. Because as I said, technology really helps improve quality of life for everybody. And I think that is the key thing, that is the key reward that we all get by continuing to work in this area. I think that is the end of my presentation, and I hope I didn't go over, but any questions?